Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today we are solving one question from Maharashtra Set Examination 2020. The question is based on sodium potassium pump. In every cycle of its activity, at the expense of one ATP molecule, one sodium potassium ATPase extrudes one sodium plus and takes in 3 potassium. और इस तरह से how many molecules of sodium are extruded and how many molecules of potassium are taken in, ये differently पूछा है in each option. So let's understand sodium potassium pump to solve this question. तो हम यहाँ सोडियम पोटेशियम पंप के बारे में जान लेते हैं. यहाँ डायग्राम ड्रॉ की है. दिस इज अ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑन विच एटीपेज इज प्रेजेंट and this is the cytosolic side, this is the non-cytosolic side, that is the outside of the cell. So this ATPase is consist of alpha and beta subunits. This alpha subunit is required for ATP hydrolysis and beta subunit is there for the proper assembly of this ATPase. See here, this pump is there to maintain the proper concentration of sodium and potassium inside the cell. Here, both the molecules are transported against their electrochemical gradient and hence there is a need of ATP. So this is a type of active transport क्योंकि यहाँ ATP is needed और both the molecules को हमें against the electrochemical gradient transport करना है. So this is transporting 3 sodium molecules outside the cell against which it is taking 2 potassium molecule inside the cell. इस तरह से ये पंप वर्क करता है. Digitalis and Ovabay, these are 2 steroids which are inhibitors of this sodium potassium pump. So after understanding sodium potassium pump, we will say that in every cycle of its activity, at the expense of one ATP molecule, one sodium potassium ATPase extrudes 3 sodium and takes in 2 potassium. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Here I am concluding with today's video. I hope you like my videos. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.